cable here. Brand new. Protective coverings. I'm just going to leave that on. I don't think there's a purpose for me taking that off, honestly. Nice nylon wrap. This is a nice finishing terminals here. I'll measure the length and put the description later. What else are you getting here? Ooh. So everything's sealed. It appears to be a connector. Oh, no kidding. I think if you bought two of these, you can just place these over. Yeah, be very careful. So if you wanted to extend these, is this what this is? Oh wow, you can extend them. That's what this is. Okay. We'll keep this one in the lab. And there you have it. Take some photographs of that, and there you go.